Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your bank account on Wise. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to Wise. Make sure you do have your account. Go ahead and log into your account and go to Recipients. After you go to Recipients, what you need to do is click on Add Receipt. Go ahead and select the currency. And you can see that you can either search for Wise or enter the bank details. So you can even add your own details. This is what we're going to do. Click on this and you can select person. Now you can select the ACH, wire or SWIFT, which is according to your accessibility and easiness. You can select one of these. So you can see some of the criterias are different in all of these. You can check them out and do this. For me, I'm going to write down my bank account number to my wire. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this box over here. And you can see that my name is already pasted over here. The next thing you want to do is write down your Fedwire routing number. Then go ahead on your account number and write it down. And you can see the account type. There are two over here, checking and savings. You can go ahead and write it down over here. And now the final option is the recipient details, which is the email address. You can go ahead and write the email address down as well and click confirm, and then your account details will be saved. So this is how easily you can save your bank details on Wise. All you need to do is go to this section over here on recipients, tap on add recipient and click on your currency and click on enter the bank details. If this is your own bank details, just go ahead and click on this, and you can see that if you're using a business account or person account, you can select this, and there are options like ACH, wire and SWIFT. So you can select one of these and write down your account number, and it will be saved for further details as well. So you can use it in the future while you are sending money to others. So guys, this is how you add your bank account on Wise. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.